Welcome to the Technovation Show. As always, we get to feature what is new in the world of technology. And this week, we talk to Jamlek Kabuba, who is the CEO of Ananki Visviva Limited, which makes engravings using CNC routers. What does that mean? We get to know in the course of this show today. My name is Dennis Omondi, and welcome.
My name is Jamlek Kabuba. I'm the innovator, designer, and also the entrepreneur. I run the Ananki. We make CNC, and then we use the CNC to offer services. I grew up, come from a family of four siblings. Grew up with a single mother, but luckily we're lucky enough to have machineries around. So we used to get shock absorbers on a Saturday. That's what you used to play with. Like you'd hammer your shock absorber all day, and then by the end of the day, you'd know like how exactly it works out. I would say personally, I'm a scientist. I've always been a scientist, and my love of technology has always been there. So I would say like it's an inborn thing, whereby I've always been tinkering with things. So I think I magnified the tinkering from the screws and motors to big machines. My wife played a very big role. She was then my girlfriend. Actually, I made a very simple. I made a very simple machine, like a simple CNC, and she recognized what the potential in it. She actually, personally, I was making it to prove a point, but she recognized how big it could go, and she encouraged me to take it out and show it out. So yeah, she did play a big role, because me, I was doing it as just to prove a point, like I can work. A funny thing, we didn't even get like a feedback or anything. Then in 2018, the last minute, we almost, like we had given up, like we are, like, you know, you've already failed once, you know, like you don't even think there's a chance. So we applied the second time, the last minute. Luckily, we got lucky. We you know, whatever we had was substantial enough. So yeah, we won the award back in 2019. The award, it's not usually dispersed immediately, so it takes like half an year. So in the process of disbursement, we had to come up with a way of how we would spend that the award. Like you don't just get like here's your 800 grants, like go do what you want. No. So you have to make a plan, like you make a budget, how you're going to use each and every single coin. So yeah, so I would say that really worked well, because we are able to account for almost every coin we got from that. Yeah, and that's how we managed to at least make like 2 more machines. In the process of inspiring other students, like we kind of got like what can I say? Like the reception wasn't what we expected. It was they didn't even believe we can make that. So that, I think, gave us even more morale to prove that. So from there we went to KU. KU had a tech showcase. So we went to showcase there, and remember the Chandaria crew, when they saw what we had, automatically they picked us, and they were like, what you have is, yeah. Business is all about profits, but sometimes there comes a point where you have to put service, whatever you're offering, before profit, So you have to perfect whatever you are giving to your client. Before you go giving your client a service, they have to buy into your idea, whatever you are, And I think that's what we've been trying to do. Like, we've been trying to give the best. We usually, whatever we do, we try to make it like, with the resource we have, this is the best we can do. Sometimes it doesn't even give back the profit, but as long as the customer is satisfied, the profit will come tomorrow. And if you keep that customer, he will bring another one tomorrow. So I feel the secret is keep your customers coming back. I feel the business environment is it's a dynamic environment. Like, it changes every day. So like, there's never a point where you'll be very comfortable. Like, today you might make a milli, tomorrow you may make, but the comfort, that comfort zone is what you shouldn't allow. Like, you should always be yearning to, like, yesterday I had this, tomorrow it should be better, because there's always someone who will see this and tomorrow they will copy that. So you have to be out of your game. Like, you have to be, like, people will always copy. I'm doing this, someone else can do this, but now I have to be ahead of the game. It's very hard to find someone who can even operate that machine. So, and the more people we can have who are familiar with the machine, the more we can do. Because this is the only thing Chinese have, This is what they have. That's why they make all those things, use it. And if we can use it the same way they use it, trust me, we won't even, like, we can easily be on the same par as them. Because right now we are a consumer nation. No, we need to go to a producer nation. The machine is a 3-axis machine. It's actually a 2-axis machine. It has a x axis and a y axis. Get me? So it uses the coordinates to plot like an image on a surface. So this specific machine uses light to burn wood, and that's what you see as the dark coloring. It's not actually the dark color; it's burnt wood. Okay, this one is a prototype. So wood was easily available. So, and also I'm also trying to show that we can make something as you think of it. You don't have to like copy how it's made. Like, it's your idea. You can make it, and you can make it work as you dream it. Like, you don't have to simply because other machines are made of metal. Now it doesn't mean like I have to make one with metal. Like I feel you need to use what is the resource you have available, and wood was easily available and cheap. Yeah. If I went with metal, I would have probably not finished it because of the affordability. Also, it will make the machine expensive even for anyone else who would want, you know, such a machine.
So being that it is still a prototype, means that it is still not there in the market yet.
Yeah, why I can say it's a working prototype. Why I'm saying it's a prototype, it's because my final product, I won't make it like this. Like this is not the final product. If you were to buy laser from me, I wouldn't exactly give you this. I would make you another one, which I would make it different. So this proof of concept, a working proof of concept that actually shows how you can combine different available tools, you know, and make something that works. So I feel we don't necessarily need to. People assume we need to import everything, but no, we have already the resources here, but we don't see them the same way until someone else decides this should be used as this. Now that's when we start seeing this should be. I found out that I needed like something to cut precision cut. Something that can precision cut whatever I needed. So, which was the biggest problem I had. Anything I needed to make was I had to seek like outside help when it comes to precision cutting. So the need for precision cutting, which was the main problem. That was the main goal that led me to the CNC, because the CNC was the only tool I knew that I could use to do different things. Even the software used is an industrial software. Like it's an industrial software such that it's a reliable software. It's not something that we've put together like Nini. It's something meant for this work. You get me? So yeah, we just integrate a professional software into our machine. First of all, we sell machines, like we can build your CNC based on your specification or what you want to do. That's the first thing. Also, maybe if your budget is not, we can offer the service. Like you can, like let's say you need, you have a furniture, you have this, like we can provide that precision cutting where you'll now go and finish. Like let's say mirrors, you can do frames when you just go and paint it and you have a complete product. You get me? So that's the other product. Also, we offer training. Like we train young people how to use machine, run them. We also offer repair. There are so many people who usually import. As a matter of fact, many people like 99% of them, they import this machine from China, and it comes in Chinese, which makes them like very low on the user friendliness. No, so we usually change the system to English, and we put familiar system, make it user friendly. No, also breakdown, we can repair any part of CNC.
What are some of these games that you played when you were young? Or rather, what are some of the toys your kids are playing with? Because clearly, what we do when we are young, some of them develop to become even what is paying us in adult life. That has been our day with Jamlek Kaboba, who is the CEO Ananki Visviva Limited, where they do engravings of different kinds. They are found along Kamakis, which is along Eastern Bypass. My name is Dennis Omondi. Thank you so much for watching. See you again in the next episode of